Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today's video I'll show you how to convert video to audio in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut, then go to the project your video is already in. Then, now tap the video clip in the timeline. And after that, look for the extract audio, then tap it. Then CapCut will automatically separate the sound from your video. You'll see the audio track appears below it. You can now delete the video layer if you only want the audio. You can also trim, adjust the volume, or export the project if you just need the sound. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.